The first step is to open Canva. To open the design you want to edit, click the image. Click on the image you want to edit. With the image selected, click Flip. Click Flip Horizontal. Or click Flip Vertical. If you click Flip Vertical again, it will reflip the image. With the image selected, click the Rotate icon. Drag the Rotate icon to the rotation you wish to have, and drop the rotation icon in that spot. Notice that the degree of rotation displays as you rotate the image. To reset the image's rotation, click the Undo arrow. That's it, you're done.